Hi, my name is Nur Natasha Zahierra binti Azuha.
Hi, my name is Nayli Aisy.
Hi, my name is Naqeeb bin Nazlizan.
Hi, my name is Amir Hafezuddin bin Saharuddin. Now we'll be going to part 4. First, go to search bar and type on setting, and then click it. Then after that, we need to click the personalization and go on to themes. After that, go on desktop icon settings and click all of the desktop icons: computer, user, network, recycle bin and control panel, and then click OK. Now we are going to step 2, which is showing system information. First, go to the search bar and then type in system information, and then click it. And after that, this is the information of your system in your laptop or personal computer in Windows 10, and you can look to all of them.
I'll show you how to perform this partition. Go to your start icon and click on run. In here, we need to type disk mgmt.msc, then click OK. Then a new window will appear like this, which we call it as disk management. Right-click on the C drive, then click string volume. It will take some time after clicking string volume. Once a new window shrink C appear, let's say I want to create a 3 GB partition, so I'll just type 3000 as in megabytes. Then click shrink. After that, it will take some time as well, so let's be patient. Now, a new option will appear. Right-click, then choose New Simple Volume. We will just leave the first page as it is. In the second page, we can assign any letter we want. I'll choose letter W. Click Next. For the file system, we should be choosing NTFS. Then, leave the others as it is, then you're done. A new volume has been created.
Click on the setting and click Advanced System Setting on the right side and click Settings and click OK and click Change. Then click System Manage and custom the size 2000 MB for initial size and maximum size 2000 MB, and then set and click OK. Then it's done.
First, click on the setting icon and click on the home icon above. After that, choose the account and then click on the family and other users. Then click on the add someone else to this PC. It will bring you to the Microsoft account sign in display. Click on the I don't have this person sign in information. It will bring you to the create account. Choose add a user without a Microsoft account. Please enter your username and your password. In case you forget your password, just put any security question for the sign-in. When it's done, click on the next. Create account user is done. Click on the setting icon and click on the home icon above. After that, choose the account. Click on the family and other users and click on the UITMCJ on the below. And click on the change account type. Change the standard user to the administrator and click on OK. Changing standard to administrator account done.
Double click and click the new encrypt folder. And click in properties. And go to sharing and ever sharing. Click permission. And click OK and share and close.
Now, I'll show you how to run Task Manager. The first step you need to do is right click on the taskbar, then click Task Manager. You will see this pop up and you will see the program, performance of the computer, app history that you downloaded before, startup, users, details, and also service. The last step for the part 4 is rename the computer. Right click on this PC and click properties. After that, click on rename this PC. Now you can just change the name of the laptop. And then all step 4 is done.
That is all for our group video presentation for IMD 163 OS installation. Thank you.